So many of our clients are in a situation where they have to make the decision: do they go the strategic acquirer route, or do they go public? There's no right answer to this question. It depends on the chief executive. It depends on the runway the company has. It depends on the investors and what their needs for liquidity are. It depends on the competitive landscape the company sees ahead of it. My advice is really very straightforward. You want to give yourself option value. Never close off options. So almost always in the time leading up to an IPO, there's an opportunity to test the water from an M&A standpoint. Companies should answer the phone if the phone rings. And then if it were my company, and if I were thinking about it, and I always try to put myself in the shoes of someone else when I'm giving advice, I'd be thinking about my runway. If I'm really a product line masquerading as a company, then I would think about the M&A route. If on the other hand, I really have the opportunity to build a real market-leading company, gosh, how can you not go for the golden ring and really go for the IPO? I mean, there are so few IPOs happening today because so many companies are choosing the liquidity path on the near term. We've had an 8-year sequential decline in the number of public companies on NASDAQ because of the sea change in chief executives' minds of, build it to sell versus build it to take public. One of the reasons why the stock market is as robust as it is there's fewer names to invest in. Between the take private trend on Wall Street and the reduction in the number of IPOs because the VC industry has decided to flip so many of these companies, there are fewer names for these public investors to invest in. There's an enormous appetite for high quality growth and profit oriented companies. So you have to maintain option value, evaluate both, and most importantly, get the best advisor you can from an investment banker on your side to help you think through those options. Someone who you can trust, who doesn't have an axe to grind on one or the other.
Okay, Paul, thanks so much for the answer.
You're welcome.